Hello everybody, Lonna here. Well, I'm here to show you and tell you a little bit about my classes for OKC Painting Palooza 2026 in Oklahoma City. I cannot wait to paint these with you. I hope that you're going to get excited about the convention because I always do. And I hope you're going to sign up for my classes. So let's take a look at my first class here. It is this adorable Christmas kitten. I enjoyed painting this one so much. I love to paint on fabric. So we're going to be painting on a fabric bag that's about 12 inches tall by about 5.5 inches wide. And you're going to paint with fabric paints and do a little stenciling and bring that bling into the project. You know how I love to put my bling on my projects, especially my Christmas ones, and I think this one's going to be a lot of fun for you. The class will be Sunday, August 9th, 2026, 2 to 6 p.m. It's a 4-hour class, the first day. Oh, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. This one's going to be super, super fun, so please sign up for my class as soon as sign up starts, which is January 6th, 2026. Be sure you're one of the first people in there to sign up for your classes because they will go so fast, and I don't want you to miss out on painting this adorable kitten. All right, let's take a look at what our next class, or my next class, will be. We're going to paint this adorable goldfish. Now, look at that goldfish. Isn't he just the cutest? Now, this background that we're going to be painting on a textured background. We're going to create brick in the easiest way possible, and we're going to have fun with it. That faucet, even though it looks technical, it's super easy. And then that transparent water that fish is swimming in, look at that goldfish. Isn't he just so cute? I had the funnest time painting this design. As I was doing it, it just got cuter and cuter and cuter as the steps went through, and I loved it. And so I was excited to submit this one to OKC, and I'm so glad that they picked it. So I hope you're going to pick it. Remember, registration starts January 6th, 2026. I don't want you to miss out on any of your classes. So be sure and sign up for this one. It's Thursday, August 13th, 8 to 3 p.m. It's a 6-hour class. It's going to be so, so fun. So let me bring both projects into the camera shot so that you can see them. And my kitten and my goldfish, how appropriate. I didn't really think about that till now. These are my two classes, and I hope that you guys are going to sign up for them. We're going to have a blast. So those are my classes, and you guys know how much I love OKC Painting Palooza. It is just the funnest convention. It's so fun to get together with like-minded people and have fun together and paint things that you wouldn't normally paint and step outside your box. It's a great, great convention. So I hope that you will sign up for my classes. I can't wait to see you there.